Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. The history of the FIFA World Cup is not just a story about football, or soccer for those who only celebrate the game every 4 years. It is also a story about food, culture, and the way people come together. Since the first World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930, fans had gathered around meals just as much as they gathered around matches. In the early tournaments, travelling supporters shared traditional foods from their home countries, turning stadiums and city streets into celebrations of international cuisine. As the World Cup grew into the world's largest sporting event, food became an essential part of the experience. Fans from different nations exchanged recipes, tasted unfamiliar dishes, and used food as a way to connect despite language and cultural differences. Each World Cup host nation has used the tournament as an opportunity to showcase its culinary identity. When the tournament was held in Italy in 1934 and in 1990, visitors enjoyed regional specialties such as pasta, pizza, and gelato. In Mexico, hosts introduced millions of visitors to tacos, tamales, and mole. In the 1998 tournament, France highlighted fine dining traditions, artisan cheeses, and fresh pastries. And when the World Cup arrived to South Africa in 2010, international visitors experienced braai, a traditional style of barbecue that became synonymous with the tournament's festive atmosphere. Every host country adds its own flavors, making each World Cup unique both on and off the field. Food has also become a ritual for fans watching from home. Across the globe, families and friends gather to watch matches while sharing meals that reflect their national identity. In Argentina, supporters often celebrate with grilled meats and empanadas. In Brazil, gatherings feature churrasco and traditional snacks. Fans in Germany may enjoy sausages and pretzels, while supporters in England often watch games with pub food and beverages. These traditions help transform a sporting event into a social and cultural celebration. The commercialization of the World Cup also changed the relationship between food and football. Beginning in the late 20th century, major food and beverage companies became tournament sponsors, using the World Cup to promote their brands to a global audience. Stadium concessions evolved from simple snacks to diverse food courts, offering local specialties and international favorites. Today, fans attending matches can often sample foods from multiple continents in a single venue, reflecting the global nature of the tournament itself. The 2022 World Cup in Qatar further highlighted how food can introduce visitors to the nation's culture. Fans were exposed to Middle Eastern cuisine, including dishes such as shawarma, matchboos, and various meze platters. Food festivals and cultural events accompanied the matches, emphasizing that the World Cup is as much about cultural exchange as it is about competition. As the FIFA World Cup continues to grow, food remains one of the most important traditions. Whether it is a street vendor serving local specialties outside the stadium, a family gathering around the television with homemade dishes, or international visitors discovering new flavors in a host nation, food helps unite people in the same way that football does. Together, the World Cup and food tell a story of community, identity, and celebration, proving that some of the tournament's most memorable moments happen not only on the pitch, but also around the table. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.